Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fold seats in your Dodge Grand Caravan. The Grand Caravan is famous for its incredibly versatile stow and go seating, allowing you to transform your passenger van into a cargo hauler in just a few simple steps. This system lets both the second and third row seats disappear completely into the floor. Before you begin, make sure your vehicle is parked safely and remove any items. Now let's tackle the second row seats. First, slide the front seats all the way forward to give yourself ample room. Next, locate the lever on the side of the second row seat and lift it to unlatch the seat from the floor. Then, pull the strap found on the back of the seat to fold the seat back down flat. Gently guide the entire folded seat into the floor compartment until it clicks and locks securely into position. It's quite straightforward. Several cloud gaming platforms support Genshin Impact, making them ideal for Xbox play. GeForce Now, for example, lets you stream the game if you own it on PC. Another excellent option is Boosteroid, which provides direct access to Genshin Impact through its service. Both of these platforms can be easily accessed by simply opening the Microsoft Edge browser on your Xbox console, giving you flexibility in your choice. With all the seats stowed, you've just unlocked an incredible amount of cargo space. This ingenious system provides over 140 cubic feet of flat, usable storage, perfect for moving large items, camping gear, or even a bicycle. The Dodge Grand Caravan's stow and go seating truly maximizes versatility, allowing you to switch from carrying 7 passengers to hauling serious cargo in mere moments. It's a fantastic feature that makes your vehicle incredibly adaptable for any adventure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.